Hey guys, Justin and Jason from Kilted to Kick Cancer. You know, September's coming up. We're almost there. All of our kilts are in the wash. That's why we're in shorts today, and it's hot. But guys, we got a package from Damn Near Kiltum, our official kilt sponsor. I'm excited to open this up. Very excited.
I don't know if everybody else has a kilt sponsor.
Quit talking. Let's open the box.
Hey,
yes.
you know what I got? Knife.
Knife in his beauty hands. There we go. So lots of great kilts, accessories, all sorts of stuff you need to get kilted up over at damnnearkiltum.com. Use the coupon code KICKCANCER, get you 10% off on your first order. Why not? Shipping's always free. Speaking of shipping, what do we got here? Ooh, pop these. Yeah, I'll take that.
Dog.
There we go. All right.
All right, here we go. All right.
Oh, look at this.
What's this?
Look at this. This is their brand new belt, Jason. Check this bad boy out.
Oh, that is sturdy.
Dual buckle clasp.
Look at that.
Right? Nice black leather. This is heavy duty, guys. This isn't that costume stuff that you see on some of the sites.
I could hurt you with this.
And of course, DNKE.
I love it.
Right there on the front. You know what?
Fantastic.
Since I'm over here on this side and you gave it to me, I'm going to keep the black one.
You should
what
keep
do
the black one. Sure,
All
why
right.
not?
There we go. We got the belt. What else we got?
You know what I'm going to keep?
Oh, another belt, guys.
I am going to keep the brown one.
That is beautiful.
Fantastic. Again, stamped
nice,
DNKE.
Nice rich brown on it. These are high quality.
Yeah, those are hefty.
Shoot,
I'm
I might have to hit the website and get me another one.
I like it. Let's do it.
Ooh, okay, so we each...
Hang on. Oh, yeah, do yours first.
So we each asked for a little something. DNKE said, how you guys doing on kilts? I said, well, you know, to be honest, I'm okay on kilts this year, which is a weird thing to say, but I only have this much closet space for my kilts right now.
True.
So I asked for one of their brand new accessories, guys, and I got the carpenter pouch. Look at, feel that. Feel that
nice.
high grain.
Oh,
that is beautiful. And the snap's coming down, and you know what?
Sturdy and yet soft.
I bet it fits perfect. Oh, look at that.
It's like they knew what they were doing.
Yep.
That's crazy.
Nice metal clasp with Damn Near Kiltum on there. That is
I
nice.
would like to point out a couple of things here.
What's that?
First off, I happen to be wearing my Damn Near Kiltum shirt.
You are.
While you have the Kilted to Kick Cancer shirt on.
That's right.
It's almost like we
planned it.
Weird. That doesn't happen.
Hey, it doesn't end.
Oh, all right. So we're gonna have to do.
Okay, so I chose the black belt.
Yep.
This is one of the unique things that Damn Near Kiltum carries, guys, is a beer holster. Now, these appear to be the... Oh, you know what? They know us. That's the 22 ounce. That's the big one. They've got a 12 ounce and a 22 ounce. This will carry you a big bottle of beer right there.
That is going to, you know, there is a problem with this, though. We're gonna have to solve that.
Here, we gotta put beer in them.
Yeah,
we're gonna have to do that. So keep an eye on the website, guys, and we'll do that. Make sure you're on the socials. We just started Instagram.
Yeah,
for Kilted.
Yeah,
so
Kilted
get on over
to Kick
there.
Cancer on the Instagram.
Yep, that's cool, and they match the belts. That's very exciting.
Yes, indeed.
Oh, you got you a kilt.
And I got the last item here.
Yeah, you did.
Because if you'll notice,
it comes with a chain.
Oh my good lord! Look at
that beauty.
That is phenomenal. That is a
nice.
Beautiful. It's like a denim.
It is.
It's
a denim.
Tastic.
This, you know what? This looks like their highest one. I'm sure there's a packing list in here somewhere. Yep, I'm going to look at it. Is this the... Yep, this is the Smithy.
That's right.
This is the Smithy. Oh, this is a nice kilt.
Turn it around real quick.
Yep. You got the chain on there.
That is amazing. Place for my keys.
Lots of multi-use pockets over here.
Yep, D-rings.
Look at that.
Bunch of D-rings.
Double pocket. And the beautiful embroidered DNKE logo.
Absolutely
wonderful.
Gorgeous.
So thank you very much to the guys and gals over at damnnearkiltum.com.
Boom.
Not only for supporting Kilted to Kick Cancer for a number of years now, but sending us out this stuff to really help us jump into September with everything we need to get going. We're going to be wearing these kilts at the Caledonian Club of San Francisco Highland Games in Pleasanton, California, Labor Day weekend. We will be out in Lodi.
At Idle Beer Works.
Yep, on South Sacramento Street. We'll be out there September 14th for their second anniversary Highland Games. They're putting on their own Highland Games. And by the way, Idle Beer Works, official beer of Kilted Kick Cancer.
Not only do we have an official kilt sponsor.
There's a lot of official stuff
we have an official beer sponsor
and then
as well.
We are wrapping up the month at the Celtic Music Festival up in Grass Valley, California. So if you are local to the Bay Area, up to North Central California, you have got 3 amazing events and no excuse not to go.
Absolutely, absolutely. Don't forget to go to damnnearkiltum.com, use our code KICKCANCER for 10% off, and if you do that toot sweet, you will be able to join us this year for Kilted to Kick Cancer Month.
Yep. So we'll see you out there, guys. Again, thank you to Damn Near Kiltum for your support, and thank you guys for following along. Cheers.
Cheers.